In this video, I'm going to show you how to build websites and landing pages using Notion, step by step, even if you've never built a website before. Notion isn't just for notes anymore. With the right templates, you can create clean, professional websites and landing pages in minutes without coding or expensive tools. This is perfect for small businesses, creators, freelancers, or anyone who wants an online presence fast. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software tutorials just like this. All right, let's jump right in. To get started, make sure you're logged into your Notion account and sitting on your main dashboard. This is the home screen where all your pages live. From here, we're going to use Notion's built-in Marketplace, which is full of ready-made templates. On the left-hand sidebar, click on Marketplace. Once the Marketplace opens, you'll see a search bar at the top. Click into the search bar and type the word website. Notion will instantly show you a list of website-related templates. Look through the results and find one called Small Business Website. This template is great because it already includes structured sections like a home page, about section, services, and contact details. Click on the Small Business Website template to open it. On the template page, click the Add button. Notion will then ask where you want to add it. Choose Add to Private to save it directly to your workspace. Once that's done, you now have the website template added to your dashboard. Next, we're going to add a landing page template as well. Go back to the Marketplace again. In the search bar, type Landing Page. You'll see multiple landing page templates appear. Choose the one that fits your style or goal. This could be for a product, service, newsletter, or personal brand. Click on the template, then click Add, and once again choose Add to Private. Now both your website and landing page templates are inside your Notion workspace. Click on your website template to open it. This is where the real customization begins. Start by configuring your website content. Replace the template text with your own business name, headline, and description. You can click on any text block and type directly to edit it. Next, configure your images. Click on the image blocks and replace them with your own images, logos, or brand visuals. You can upload images from your computer or embed them from links. After that, scroll down and add or update your contact details. This might include your email address, phone number, social media links, or a call to action button, so visitors know how to reach you. Once your website is set up, open your landing page template. Edit the headline, supporting text, and call to action so it matches your goal. Landing pages work best when they're simple and focused, so remove anything you don't need and keep the message clear. You can duplicate sections, rearrange blocks, or delete parts that don't fit your brand. Take a few minutes to fine-tune spacing, images, and wording so everything looks polished. When you're done, you now have a fully functional website and landing page built entirely inside Notion. From here, you can share your pages publicly using Notion's Share button and even connect them to custom domains using third-party tools if you want to go further. And that's it. You've just learned how to build websites and landing pages with Notion in a simple and beginner-friendly way. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.